In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio Verify Service SID. Whether you're integrating Twilio's verification services into your application or just getting started, knowing where to find the Service SID is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you'll be able to locate this information quickly and efficiently. First, start by heading to the Twilio console. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Twilio website by entering twilio.com/console in the address bar. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Twilio credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process, but for today, we're assuming you've got that part handled. Upon logging in, you'll be brought to the main console dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, look for the navigation pane. It's typically situated on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to find the section labeled Verify, then click on it to reveal its options. Among these, you should see a subsection titled Services. Go ahead and click on Services. This is where you can manage all your existing verification services. After you've clicked on Services, a list will appear displaying all the services you've set up. Each service is listed with a friendly name, and beside that, you'll notice an SID that begins with VA. This SID is a critical identifier you'll use in your application code to reference the specific verification service you're concerned with. Spot the service you're interested in, taking note of its associated friendly name to easily identify it. Next, to dive deeper into the service and see more detailed information, simply click on the service name you're interested in. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to that particular service. On this page, you'll find a wealth of information related to the service's configuration and usage. Most prominently, right at the top of this page, you'll see the Service SID displayed in a large, clear font. It's hard to miss and is positioned to make copying and pasting for your needs simple. And there you have it. It's really that straightforward to find your Twilio Verify Service SID. This information is invaluable for setting up and troubleshooting your implementations. Remember, keeping your SIDs private is crucial as they're part of your security protocols. Thanks for walking through this tutorial with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and updates. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment any feedback or topics you'd like covered in future episodes.